Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's episode is refreshing my hair color. We're using Cajun Spice, Ginger, and Cinnamon.
Is there something going on? I mean, has he awakened to reality? Is he awakened to really this is the man.
It still hurts me when I hear your name. It's been months, but I still feel the same. I'm not sure why I can't get you off my mind. Guess I've never been in love before. So when you left me, my heart was torn. I wish I never let you in. I wish I hadn't been so vulnerable. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself. But I can't help myself. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself. I've tried so hard to forget your face. So why does it feel like you're stuck in my brain? Do you remember how it felt to be side by side? Or do you never really think of me? Am I just a distant memory? Do I need to stop living in this fantasy? In this fantasy. In this fantasy. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself.
Right, I think it's all fully applied, so I'm about to wash this out.
Help myself. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself.
And that's it, folks. It's non-damaging and curls are still intact, so thanks for watching. Bye.